Right, I've got my childhood Spectrum and I'm going to future proof it for when I'm older and I'm incompetent, or incontinent is it, and I start pissing on the board by mistake. So I'm going to varnish with some 70 kilovolt lacquer. I think it's for starter motors really, and make it a bit better. I've got some of this, 17 quid off eBay. I think it's for starter motors and alternators really. Oh, it's got a seal on it. Oh bugger. Right, I've got some varnish on it, looking a bit more sexy. Shit, have I just got it on the... just got it all over the plug. Oh, I can't believe that. And here comes a cat. Shelley, what am I doing? Oh, I've got it on the bloody thing now, look, on the... So the varnish has gone off. And I mean, one good thing about it is putting loads of varnish around this, these copper wires here, because you don't want them exposed to air and whatever. But anyway, it's not looking bad. Right, to show you how good the insulation is, look. Bit of bare metal, nothing. Oh, that's when I touched it there, look. So you're not going to get no shorts across your tracks. Yeah, I don't think it's a bad job really. I put a bit of splodge of hot glue across there, stop that moving, kept moving, doing me head in. So I'm going to try it out now, make sure it works after all this.